We are on to the last section, section 6, which covers question number 9. It says, at this point, the theorem in item 8 is simply a conjecture based on one example. Given the figure below, write the key steps for a proof of the theorem. Hint, you may want to use a pair of overlapping triangles in the theorem from item 8 as part of your argument. And it gives us a trapezoid, and it gives us both diagonals. It says, hypothesis, core is a trapezoid. CO is congruent to ER. And we are trying to prove that CR is congruent to EO. Go ahead and take about 7 minutes to come up with your argument here on why you think that this statement is true. Go ahead, pause your video now. All right, I have formed a very, very informal proof here, but they had already told us that CO was congruent to RE. I know that COR angle is congruent to ERO because this angle is congruent to this angle because they're base angles of an isosceles trapezoid. I know that OR is congruent to itself based on the reflexive property. So by side angle side, I can prove that COR is congruent to ERO. Well, if I know that those two triangles are congruent, I know that EO is congruent to CR by corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. On to the final question.